So ever since the COVID pandemic, consumers are putting health at the front of everything that they do when it comes to the food and nutrition that they're consuming. There's been a growing awareness as well around the advantages of plant-based eating. And while veganism and vegetarianism have been growing, it's the flexitarian trend, which is significantly large now, with approximately 50 to 60% of consumers globally claiming to be flexitarians and trying to reduce the amount of animal products they consume. If we look at most menus today, 90% of all the dishes will contain some animal product, either meat, dairy, or eggs. And that really limits the options for these consumers who are looking for more plant-based eating when they travel. So for hotels and any other hospitality sectors, the key advantage is growing their customer base. By offering more plant-based options, hotels are able to attract flexitarians, vegans, vegetarians, consumers who are looking to eat healthier, and they will prioritize those properties and those brands that are offering them the food that aligns with their personal values.